This is it, the new 911 Carrera GTS.
It's beautiful. I mean, what a way to present the car. She's great, but quite different from the car we saw just now.
That's because the GTS features active aerodynamics. You can see the 10 vertical adjustable flaps here at the front. And look at the wheels. The wheels have the typical GTS central locking system.
And the inside, it looks more sporty.
Absolutely. It's the typical GTS interior with race tags and the contrast stitchings.
I've heard that it's a hybrid car now. Doesn't that add too much additional weight to a sports car?
No, absolutely not. It's a very special hybrid, focused on performance, maximum boost, and only very little additional weight.
What is the secret behind it?
We wanted a solution that really enhances performance while keeping the weight down. All while changing the architecture as little as possible, so we can stay true to the character of the 911.
And how did you do it?
In the rear, there's the absolutely new, powerful flat 6 attached to the PDK, which now has an integrated electric motor. In the front, we have a compact high-voltage battery. And finally, there's an electric motor in the turbocharger, and that makes it magic.
So the hybrid system's not meant to extend the range of driving, but to boost performance. So what's the power output of the whole system?
The 911 Carrera GTS has a whopping 541 horsepower, 61 horsepower more than the previous car. It delivers 610 Newton meter of torque and has a top speed of 312 kilometers per hour. And most importantly, the weight of the car is 1,595 kilograms. That means only 50 kilo more than before.
Those are some impressive numbers, but I want to know more about the hybrid.
Thomas Brandl is one of our masterminds behind that drivetrain system. He will give you all the details.
Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Claire.
But tell me, the 911 Carrera GTS, it's a hybrid now. What did you do?
The essential innovation is the electric turbocharger on the flat 6 engine. It can do two different things. It delivers compressed air immediately to the engine to reduce the turbo lag to a minimum. And second, it recovers heat energy out of the exhaust gas to add even more power to the drivetrain.
Does that mean as a driver I have to activate it?
Not at all. The system reacts to throttle and brake only. You can visualize it like a puzzle with the flat 6 engine and the electric turbocharger, the e-motor in the PDK, and the high-performance battery in the front. When the control units put the piece together, what you get is a very exciting drive.
So it automatically shuttles through the combinations depending on how I put my foot down?
Exactly. When you need more power, the system reacts within split seconds, giving you more boost and torque fill up to 150 Newton meter for a faster and better acceleration. Of course, we can do mechanical recuperation when the car is slowing down or braking. And my favorite feature is the high performance feature, when you use the turbocharger to release extra energy running on full throttle or even on top speed. So even in this operating state, the turbocharger is able to recover energy, to put it on the e-motor, and if necessary, the battery joins in to put even more energy, releasing all the 541 horses.
Thomas, that sounds like some amazing precision engineering. Thank you for that deep dive. But I've promised everyone for some race action. Unfortunately, we do have Matt Watson and a certain former Formula One driver and sports car world champion who are going to line up the 911 Carrera GTS and go head-to-head with its predecessor. Thomas, how do you think this will go?
Let me put it this way, the data doesn't lie.
Spoken like a true engineer. Well, let's take a look and see how this goes.